Imagine opening a package that feels more like a thoughtful gift than a tech gadget. That's the experience of unboxing the Boogie Board Basics reusable writing pad. Inside, you'll find a sleek writing pad, a stylus that feels like a magic wand, and a quick start guide that gets you scribbling in seconds. It's a simple yet delightful introduction to a world of digital writing. The Boogie Board Basics is not just any writing pad. Thanks to its patented liquid crystal display technology, it transforms into more than a mere doodle pad. Whether you use the stylus, your finger, or even a capped pen, the screen captures strokes with smooth precision. It feels like writing on paper, but without the smudges or wasted sheets. This digital pad offers a tactile joy that bridges the gap between traditional writing and modern technology. One of the most delightful features of the Boogie Board is the instant erase button. With just one press, your page is wiped clean, ready for your next list, idea, or doodle. No erasers, no smudging, just the sound of productivity echoing in digital silence. It's a feature that embodies efficiency and simplicity, making it a favorite among users who value a clutter-free workspace. In a world where everything demands an update, the Boogie Board offers peace. Plug-free, lag-free, and distraction-free. There's no app to download, no account to register. Just flip the switch and start writing. This is digital minimalism in action. The Boogie Board doesn't try to be everything. Instead, it masters the one thing it was built for: writing and erasing. And it does it beautifully, offering a refreshing return to simplicity. The Boogie Board Basics is designed to be slim, lightweight, and durable. It slips effortlessly into backpacks, purses, and briefcases. Whether you're moving from the kitchen to the classroom or from your office to a road trip planner, it keeps up without missing a beat. Plus, with UV protection, the screen remains clear and readable even under the sun, making it perfect for outdoor use. Whether you're a parent managing chores, a student solving equations, a professional sketching ideas, or just someone who loves to doodle, the Boogie Board becomes your silent companion. It's ready to capture whatever crosses your mind. This versatility makes it an ideal tool for a wide range of users, each finding their unique way to integrate it into their daily routines. Let's quickly recap what makes the Boogie Board Basics stand out. It features an LCD writing surface that allows you to write with a stylus or your finger. The instant erase button clears your screen with ease. Its battery life lasts up to 5 years per battery, and it's sunlight readable with UV protection. Plus, its lightweight design ensures it's always portable and ready. In a noisy world full of complex gadgets, the Boogie Board Basics is a refreshing return to simplicity. It bridges the gap between the tactile joy of writing and the convenience of tech. No distractions, no waste, just your ideas, thoughts, and scribbles captured instantly. Whether you're organizing your day or capturing a fleeting thought, the Boogie Board Basics is your go-to device for seamless digital writing.